This 4-door, 5-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.